The following tutorial outlines how to register an investigation in the TOXBANK data warehouse. So the first step is to go to the URL services.toxbank.net, enter your username and password and log in. Next we go to the upload tab. And what we're going to do is to register a new investigation data. So if I click on this link, what you can see, there are a number of options, and we're going to select the first one because in this case we haven't yet completed the investigation, but we just want to let the cluster know that information is being generated on this investigation. So we don't have any data at this point. What we want to do is to enter a title. These are some cytotoxicity tests. We would enter an abstract, it's just to illustrate. We want to know who the authors are, so we just type in the first few letters and select from the list, and you can add any number of authors as well as any organizations that own the data. Again, just type in the first few letters. What's very important is if this this data or this experiment is associated with a case study, then what we would like to do is to, under keywords, to go into the folder, the case studies, and select the individual case study. There may be other keywords, and we can just do a search for other keywords, for example, for the cytotoxicity assay. There may be chemicals that you wish to select. There may be testing specific modes of action, or you may be probing specific molecular initiating events. So in this case we just select some compounds that have been tested. So what we've done here is we've just described in general details the investigation. We don't have any data at this point, but if that information looks okay, finally we might want to make restrictions of access, but in this case we're just going to leave it at SURAT 1 level. Let's go ahead and select preview. This gives us just a chance to review the information, and if everything looks okay, we can go ahead and publish that to make that investigation available across the cluster. So here is a summary of the information we're about to publish. If it looks okay, we'll go ahead and publish that information. This registration of the investigation has now been uploaded. You can see under the My Uploads, here is that specific investigation that we just uploaded. If I go to the main TOXBank screen, towards the top you can see the upload status dashboard. If I click on this link, this is going to show all the investigations, data and protocols that have been uploaded into the warehouse. What you can see here now is that under this case study number 1, there's a new investigation that's been uploaded. That's that investigation we just created. It's associated with this case study, and if we look at the status, it's at the point where the data has not been uploaded, but it's been registered, and people can know across the cluster that that investigation has been data is now being generated with that investigation. So that summarizes how to register an investigation or experiment before any data has been generated, to make it knowledge of that investigation across the cluster and available for searching and available in the status dashboard.